On this vote, the yeas are 223, the nays are 205. The bill is passed.
The U.S. House of Representatives passed legislation to safeguard a woman's right to travel across state lines to seek an abortion. The Ensuring Access to Abortion Act was brought to the floor Friday after several states banned abortion in the wake of last month's Supreme Court ruling.
Just 3 weeks ago, the Supreme Court took a wrecking ball to the fundamental rights by overturning Roe v. Wade.
House Speaker Nancy Pelosi stood with fellow Democrats on the steps of the U.S. Capitol before the vote.
Democrats will not stop ferociously defending freedom for women and for every American. The message from the House Democrats and our groups here today is we are not going back. We are not going back. We're not going back. We're not going back.
But despite the bill's passage in the House, it still faces a major obstacle in the evenly divided Senate, where Republicans blocked similar legislation a day earlier. Roughly a dozen Republican-led states have moved to ban nearly all abortions, with some states trying to go even further. Missouri legislators recently considered a bill that would allow civil lawsuits against anyone who aids a woman in seeking an out-of-state abortion. The issue received national attention, including from President Joe Biden, who last week expressed outrage over a 10-year-old rape victim who had to travel to Indiana for an abortion.
10 years old, raped, 6 weeks pregnant, already traumatized, was forced to travel to another state.
An Ohio man was charged this week for the rape. On Friday, a second bill was passed in the House.
The bill is passed
to ensure access to abortion. But a previous version of that measure has already failed this year in the Senate, and it's unlikely to go further this time around. Despite the roadblocks, voting on the bills is one of the few actions Democrats can take to show they are trying to protect abortion rights ahead of the November midterm elections. According to a recent Ipsos poll, some 55% of Americans believe abortion should be legal in all or most cases.